Hey friends, welcome to Even the Waves. Today we're going to be installing the insulation in the van. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make the insulation go from this to that. So the reason we used this insulation, which is called Thinsulate by 3M, is because it's hydrophobic, it's easy to work with, it's not fiberglass, and it's not spray foam. I don't want to deal with any of that. I just want to go with the most efficient, the warmest, and the easiest to use. So this is what we're using. I've done tons of research, but for the most part, if you can afford it, 3M Thinsulate is the way to go. So stay with me and we'll get this thing done. Okay, so when insulating your beams on your ceiling, the easiest way to cut this Thinsulate is to get basically like a 1x3, put a piece of wood underneath it, and then cut it with a utility knife. Just basically dig in there, dig into the wood, make your cut, and it'll be straight through. Don't cut this with scissors. It takes way too long. Okay, so we're doing the ceiling. With the ceiling, use your 3M 90. Spray your panel that you've cut out. Spray the ceiling, and then adhere both of them. Sorry guys, well, here's the deal. That's all of the insulation. It's fairly simple. You guys can figure this out on your own. Now, for the most part, all you gotta do is measure, cut. If you need spray adhesive, go ahead and spray some adhesive, throw up the insulation, and you're pretty much done. So if you guys like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like your favorite video, and if you will, comment down below so that you and I can start a conversation together. Remember guys, create what you love. We'll see you on the next one.